Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spyderco Ikuchi here with me for a maintenance video. We're gonna try to see if we can improve a little bit the action of this little guy. So it's gonna be pretty straightforward. We're gonna need T8 for the pivot screw right over here. Boom, that is done. We're gonna need a T6 for these handle screws. Going on right over here. It shouldn't be an issue taking this guy down, except for what? What's going on here? Okay, let's try on this side. Let's see. All right. That is good. Let's also do this guy over here. All right, so this is open. Oh, yeah, of course, we've got this guy also here, T8, and which is holding the pocket clip, which is reversible if you're if you want to put it on the left side. But this guy here, that is interesting. Okay, all right, done. So this should come apart pretty easily. All right, so as you can see, these are this is laminated carbon fiber. So it's just like a very, very thin layer of carbon fiber on top of G10 scale, and here we've got the guts. So pressed fit stop pin, and then we have another stop pin right over here, couple of standoffs, lanyard tube, and scales. So pretty straightforward, right? All right, let's just clean this up. So let's see, this guy is the pivot. Oh, it's like a bushing pivot. Interesting. So this didn't really have a nice action, to be honest. I mean, opening action, fine. Closing action, meh. So let's see, maybe with some lightweight nano oil, we're gonna be able to improve this action. And let's see what can we do. All right, so interesting construction. The pivot is D-shaped, so not spinning, and it's a bushing pivot. It's running on phosphorus bronze washers, so that's why the action probably wasn't as smooth as a set of bearings. But let's see what we can do to improve it. All right. Also, the stop pin is keyed in. Very, very good. Let's also give it a little bit of clean on the inside of these scales right over here. Wow, this is leaving lots of residue. So let's just wipe that out. Off, sorry. All right, that's cool. Let's take another one of these guys over here. All right, and we're gonna clean the liners up like so. All right, stainless steel liners is they're like full length liners, pretty thin. The weight is it's pretty contained. In fact, you can see lots of skeletonization going on the inside. All right, we are basically done, guys. So let's put this back together. We're gonna have like this guy actually is gonna be over here, like so. Actually, yeah, this is gonna be like that. Stop pin is in, kind of, now it's in. And so you're gonna see that the standoffs are also keyed in, which is a beautiful thing. So you can't, they're not gonna be spinning first of all, and then they're gonna be pretty easy and straightforward to put back. So we're gonna just do this like here to hold in place the standoff number 1, standoff number 2, right over here. Really nice. Okay. We can also do this lanyard right over here. So like that. Sorry, not the lanyard. This is the let's say the lanyard. No, it's not a lanyard, but it's like a tube to hold in place the scales. We're gonna use this guy right over here. Actually, yeah, this is a little bit. So you have to just jam this guy in because this is gonna be holding the pocket clip. Then you have to do something like that. Just, you know, fit that in, and this is gonna be in. This is keyed in nicely, so just hold it. Don't over tighten it because there's no need for that. So this side is set. We're gonna do this pivot right over here, and the screw on this side right over there, and in like so. Just push it. Very good. And then we're gonna need one washer, and we're gonna need the bushing, and then we're gonna take care of the other scale right over here. Just line it up like that, and just a couple of screws just to keep the liner up against the. All right, so no, this goes after. So let's take some lightweight nanoil. This is a 5 weight, because we don't need anything heavy over here. So just like so. Sorry guys, this goes like oh no, wow, that's the opposite. This goes like this. There you go. And let's just do like that, and washer is in. Done. So now you can just put it back together. All right, so we're gonna have the liner right over here. Exactly. You can just keep the blade a little bit like that. Just line that up, and this guy is gonna be right over here. Something is not lining up, so it's not a biggie. So let's just start from the back and line up everything like so. Beautiful. So that's gonna keep everything checked in place, and we're gonna start from the farthest handle screw like that, and we're gonna do this other screw right over here. So the handle is done. Very nice. And this guy also is set nicely in place. Also, always don't over tighten anything, because you can strip these guys pretty easily. So let's check now that everything is nicely in place. All right, so blade is off center. So let's check every screw of the handle first. Yeah, that was a little bit Very good. It's very good. This guy also is nicely in place. And let's tighten this guy over here. Like so. Wow, look at the action. Wow, this is bouncing off of. Look at this. Oh yeah. Now we are talking, guys. Look at that. The blade is a little bit off center. So let's see if we can improve a little bit of that. Like so. Maybe doing like this. Okay. Wow, look at the action. Oh yeah. So, blade is a hair off center, as you can see. Action is just stellar. There's just a little bit of blade play. So let's try to squeeze everything together. All right. And just, this is tightened. Oh, that was a little bit off. All right, let's recheck all the screws. Like so, really, really good. Let's also check this guy, and this is fully tightened. Oh yeah, now the blade is almost perfect. Action, guys. Look at the action of this bad boy. Look at this. Very, very cool. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.